third type is that of your analogous organs. And these analogous organs, they are having the different structures. The organ may have the different origin, but they all are performing the same function. For example, if you see the wings of birds and butterfly, in both the cases, the wings are used for flying, correct? But the wings of butterfly, they are made up of chitin, while that of a bird are made up of feathers. So in both the cases, the structure is different, but they are performing the same function. So these type of the organs are known as analogous organs, and the evolution is known as the convergent evolution. This is not only happening in case of animals, but in case of the plants also. For example, in case of thorns of bougainvillea and tendrils of cucurbita family, both are the modification of the stem, but they are performing different functions. The thorns are for protection, while in case of tendrils, they are giving the support to the plant. So in these two cases, the structure is same, but function is different. Similarly, in case they are forming the analogous or homologous organs? Yes, homologous organs. Example of analogous organs, in case of the plant, if the sweet potato and the potato. Sweet potato is also storing the starch, while the potato is also storing the starch. So both are doing the same function. But sweet potato is a modification of, very correct, sweet potato is a modification of root, while potato is the modification of stem. So this way you will see that in case of homologous, similar structure, different function, while in case of analogous, similar function but different structure. Very good. Now read it, revise it, stay at home and study hard.